Who wouldn't want to have Batman's gadgets? Like, come on, he's got the coolest gadgets, okay? He's got the grappling gun, he's got the smoke grenades, he's got the explosive gel, he's got the ice grenades. Well, not really his, but you get the point. He has a bunch of cool stuff. Anyways, who wouldn't want to have it? Nobody would want to have it, right? So today I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make one of his gadgets, and I did not list it in the thing. You probably know what I'm building. It's a wrist-mounted dart launcher, right? Building the one from the Batman trailer. It doesn't say that it is a dart launcher, but I'm pretty sure like a lot of us think it is a dart launcher. So no more talking, let's list the materials. Alright, so you're gonna need a pen, something like this, just like a tube that you can rip out with a pair of pliers. You're gonna need electrical tape, skewers, and elastics. You're only really gonna need one elastic, and that's pretty much all for like the shooting mechanism. For details, just you need like cardboard and stuff and paint. But yeah, let's get to the build. Okay, first step, grab a pair of pliers, just rip this piece out. Okay, I'm back. So, got your pen, grab your skewers, and open it. Okay, got a skewer, check that it fits. Okay, I forgot, you gotta take off this back part, I didn't see that. Easy, came off no problem. So, now check that your skewer fits. In this case, mine does. And then, where's my elastic? 1 second. Where'd the elastic go? What the? Oh. Okay, I was sitting on the elastic the whole time. Anyways, take your elastic, find an area on the thing, and have it be stretched out a little bit. And then just put it at the end of the pen. Actually, I'm gonna do this end. Just get your elastic like that. And then just tape around it. Okay, so now our elastic is taped around. Oh, yo, this thing's got insane power. Not okay. At the end, it kind of like stretched out a bit. I think it's because I put the tape there. I'm gonna get rid of that real quick. But damn, oh my god, I gotta show you this. Okay, let's do a quick test. I gotta show you this. It's incredible. It didn't have enough power to go through the wall, so kind of just like broke the skewer. But I think this could like penetrate skin or meat or anything like that. so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And to be honest, this was so easy to make. Like, it took me a couple like minutes, hours, maybe just like an hour to build like the detailed part. But this, the shooting mechanism, that literally took like 5 minutes, and it only cost like $5 to make. So there's no excuse why I can't make this, I guess. It does break a little bit, like the elastic kind of like snap, but that's because I used a horrible elastic. So use a good elastic if you're gonna do this. And yeah, alright, so if you're like confused with anything, just like comment it. Like if you're trying to follow this tutorial, just comment whatever you're confused with, and I'll just, you know, I'll respond, helping you or whatever. You know, I sound like an online school teacher.